What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try. Baby, I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out of kicks. Now you only make me sick. Think we're only here to stay alive now. 'Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a fucked up time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down the highway, I can't stay. 'Cause I know that all I know, it's time to go. It's time to go. You can pass the blame. Say what you want, you got nothing on me. We won't be the same. Don't you call me up, 'cause we badly need this change.
Hello guys! Welcome back to another vlog! Thank you for coming back! Ayan. Hi! One day na lang before our flight. Today is Saturday guys. And alhamdulillah, gumanda-ganda na yung pakiramdam ko. I mean, maganda naman yung pakiramdam ko. Kaso, in the past couple of days, parang nagkaroon ako ng anong tawag dito? Parang nasal congestion, mga ganon. Parang nasal congestion siya. I don't know if it's just the change in weather. Probably yes. Kasi lumamig dito sa Houston in the past couple of days. And then after that, ngayon, kahapon, uminit na naman. Ewan ko kung malamig na naman ngayon. The weather is really so unpredictable. Sakto lang. Sakto lang yung lamig niya. Ay, dalhin ko kayo guys sa labas. Tingnan nyo. Para makita ninyo guys. Share lang. Wait lang. Pader. Ayan. Wow, beautiful mornings. Share lang. Sinag naman ang araw. Pak. O, diba? Ito yung view ko araw-araw pag lumalabas ako dito. Diba? Parang kagubatan. Dito sa may Willowbrook area, parang kagubatan. Share. Ayun, nagkaroon nga ako ng parang nasal congestion for the past couple of days. Tumagal din siya ng halos 5 or 6 days. Pero ngayon, okay na. Medyo may ano pa rin, pero hindi nakagaya ng mga first few days na parang parang hindi naman siya ubo ng ubo, pero siya, parang runny nose. Parang nagkakaroon. Kanina naman ako nag-uubo ng sobra-sobra. Ayan, nagbe-breakfast lang pala ako ngayon. As you can see, yung pampatamis ko ay stevia. 2 pakete lang. Okay, this is not artificial sweetener. Okay, one of my friends said that this is sucralose. No, stevia is not sucralose. Excuse me. Yung sucralose, yun yung mga ata, yung mga fructose, mga ganon. Parang mga yan, mga artificial sweetener at hindi siya made from natural or made by nature. Ang stevia ay galing mismo sa stevia leaf or dahon. Kaya hindi siya masyadong matamis. Sakto lang pampatamis ng inumin. Okay na. Ayan, nagbe-breakfast na ako. Mag-breakfast ko ay egg na may maraming kamatis and avocado. Supposed to be mag-ano ako, pero mamaya na lang. Magkikinoa. Magluluto ako ng quinoa. Kaso, wala. Ginahon na tayo ng oras. And let's just eat this. Miss ko tong breakfast na to. In the past couple of days, hotel buffet breakfast na naman tayo. And I don't have the option but to eat their breakfast. Shalak. Yan, excited. Actually, guys, mas excited ako kasi after this, nga pala, ang flight ko is from Houston to Los Angeles and then Los Angeles to Taipei and then Taipei to Danang. Ang haba, di ba? Kasi yun lang yung mura, cheap, as in, napaka-cheap niya. Pero, ang haba nga ng layover ko sa Taiwan eh. So, since mahaba yung layover ko sa Taiwan, ang mangyayari guys is, ang layover ko ata is nasa 18 hours layover. So, lalabas ako ng airport. Probably, I will stay in a hotel. And then, yeah, I will stay in the hotel. Probably. Lalabas ako ng airport. Magsistay ako sa hotel. Nakapag-book na ata ako. Meron dong Holiday Inn na malapit lang. And then, may night market din na malapit. So, ang gagawin ko is, ang dating ko kasi sa Taiwan is around 9:30 p.m. And makiklear ako sa immigration for sure is around like 10 p.m. Ay, gawin ko pala yung Taiwan Pass kasi kailangan ko yon para kailangan ko yon para, anong tawag dito? Para mapabilis yung imig. Kasi yung first time kong pumunta ng Taiwan, as in hassle, umabot siguro ng mga 30 minutes ako bago ako na-clear up sa immigration. I mean, kasi mag-ano ka pa ng mga, yung parang arrival card, electronic na kasi siya. O, diba? So, mahaba yung magiging flight ko, guys. Pero hindi naman kasi ako nagmamadali sa pupuntahan ko, which is Da Nang, Vietnam. I'm so excited. First time ko ito, guys, na magsistay sa Da Nang, Vietnam. I will stay at the city proper for the first 4 nights because I'm gonna go to some of the attraction, of course. Konti lang naman yung mga pupuntahan kong attraction. Pero 4 nights kasi gusto kong may pahinga. May pahinga sa hotel, makakapag-massage ka, makaka-booking ka. Chinese joke lang yun. Shut up! Booking agad. Yun, guys. So, napakahaba ng aking flight. Pero meron naman siyang rest in between. At ito yung pinakamura. Wala na akong magagawa kasi nga, binook ko lang to. Alam niyo na kung paano. I paid tax lightly. And then, after that, I will be flying from Da Nang to Bangkok para mag-watch naman ng Miss Universe. I'm excited to be back in Thailand. Let's see, guys. Kakagaling ko lang ng Thailand nung nagpunta ako ng Phuket last month. Yun ang itinerary ko, guys. And then, after that, I will fly to the Philippines. Probably, I still don't have a booking. I'm checking it on like cheap fare, or probably I will take Cebu Pacific because ang gagawin ko is magba-Bangkok, diretso ng Zamboanga na ako with a layover either in Cebu or in Manila. Probably in Manila. Shala. Sarap. O sige na, guys, update ko kayo mamaya kasi ang gagawin ko after ng breakfast ko na to, most probably ay maglilinis ako dito and it will take like probably 2 to 3 hours bago ako matapos. I'll fix everything sa laundry ko. Ilalaundry ko na yung ibang mga comforter and everything. And then after that, ipifix ko yung mga dadalhin ko. Hindi pa kasi siya. Tapos sara na natin yung maleta. And then we'll go to the airport. We'll go to the gym, park probably. And then I'm gonna go home early later. Kasi gusto kong matulog ng maaga. Probably around 8 or 9 o'clock. Or maybe 8 o'clock. Sana makatulog din ng 8 o'clock. Para magising tayo ng mga 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. Because we need to go very early sa airport than usual because the TSA pre-check is shalak due to government shutdown. Diyos ko Lord, sana ma-ease na to, mawala na tong government shutdown as I come back from the Philippines. O siya, sige na guys, dara na, shalak. Ayan. Thank you pala sa nag-comment na ang sabi gusto niya yung look ko ngayon. Probably because I'm a little bit not stressed na. Shalak! Siguro nag-improve. Nawala yung stress sa katawan. Nawala rin yung pagiging heartbroken. Charis, joke lang yun. O siya, sige na, later na lang.
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs.
Hello mga shalak, it's already 2 or 3 and I'm just having my late lunch right now. What I have here is ginisang sayote. Ginisang sayote na may itlog. Diba? Ako pinakain to. At saka meron ako din ng pomegranate. Paborito ko to. Lagyan ko na ng chili flakes. Wala akong tahin. Bibili sana ako kahapon kasi sabi ko, wag na lang. Meron naman akong chili flakes. Lagyan ko na lang ng asin, chili flakes, tsaka Hi guys! It's already 8:30 ngayon and mamaya na yung flight ko around 7 a.m. and I have to wake up at around 3 a.m. Because there might be a long line right now at the TSA due to government shutdown. So, sabi nila maglaan ng at least 3 to 4 hours. I don't usually go to the airport very early because I don't want to wait. I usually go to the airport at least 2 hours, something like that. Naka-check-in na kasi ako online and bag drop na lang, which is usually take required lang at around siguro mga 1 hour before your flight. So I usually go to the airport at least 1.5 hour or 90 minutes before my flight. I don't go like 3 or 4 hours because nakakatamad mag-antay doon sa airport. But for the sake of this bullshit government shutdown, I have to be there very, very early. Shalak. Sayang yung tulog ko. Matutulog sana ako hanggang mga 4 or 5 o'clock pa. Pero magagawa natin. Shalak ang gobyerno ngayon dito. Ayan. May mga nag-message pala sa akin, you know, to do some more travel content or travel vlogs. Ay, kung alam niya. Ewan ko ba, kapag nasa travel ako, parang ayoko nang mag-content or parang nadadala ako ng, especially kapag may kasama ako sa travel, parang na-enjoy ko yung moment at nakakalimutan ko nang ilabas yung camera ko. Nakakalimutan kong content creator pala ko dahil. Shala ko, minsan kasi, ang nangyari kasi guys, kung minsan, suot ko pala yung scrub, old scrub ko ngayon kasi, nasa bag ko na lahat halos ng mga sleepwear ko and wala nang natira. So, old scrub na lang. Usually, sinusuot ko yung mga old scrub ko kapag, you know, yung mga hindi ko Hello guys, good morning! Very, very early. Super early. As in. Good morning guys. Good morning to everyone. Mga shalak. Ayan, kakagising ko lang talaga as in. Timpla ako ng kape ngayon. And kakape lang ako and then siguro kain ng konti. And then go to the airport na. Sana makarating tayo ng airport before mga 4 o'clock. Haba pa daw ang pila. Sana naman hindi mahaba masyado. Mamaya na lang. Ayan, hello guys. Napakaaga, grabe. As in, nakakaloka. Kanina nga nagising na ako ng alas 3 for a 7 a.m. flight. Shalak. Hindi naman sa excited ako guys. Pero, talaga.
As in, mahaba daw yung pila ngayon sa TSA. Hopefully not so much ngayon. But anyway, it's already 4 o'clock, 3 hours before my flight. So yun nga guys, nagaantay na lang ako ng Uber ko and it's 7 minutes away. Siguro lalakarin ko na lang papuntang gate para hindi na malapit lang naman yung gate dito. Shalak. Let's go na. Ayan guys, nilakad ko na lang papuntang gate. Dito na lang ako mag-aantay sa kanya. Malapit na naman siya. Para hindi na siya papasok dyan guys. So, yung parang magpa-passcode, tapos lalabas na naman, mag-aantay sa para makasave ng time. At kailangan kong maaga sa airport guys. Shalak, nagkape lang ako and then kumain ako ng itlog. Not a full breakfast, but hopefully we can have a nice breakfast pag nasa na tayo. Kapag nasa Shalak. Ay, at least nakatulog ako ng 9 o'clock or 8:30 hanggang 3. Medyo nakatulog tayo ng mga 6 hours. Sarap ng tulog ko, in fairness. Shalak, andyan na ata siya. Shalak.
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try.
Nasa airport na ako guys and sobrang haba ng pila ngayon as in sobra siya lang. Ayan guys, 6:18 na ngayon and nag-aantay lang ako ng boarding for my flight to Los Angeles. Hindi naman ako tumagal sa check-in area tsaka sa TSA pre-check. Good thing meron pa akong clear membership, so it just took me like 5 to 10 minutes. Pero grabe, ang haba ng pila sa standard processing guys, as in nakakaloka. Aabutin ka siguro ng mga 1 to 2 hours, pero kung meron kang clear or maski TSA pre-check lang, you're good to go. As in 5, siguro mga 4:45 ako pumila, tapos around before mag 5 o'clock nakalagpas na ako ng security or TSA checkpoint. So I'm a little bit early for my flight. Kanina pa ako nag-aantay around mga 5 and it's already 6:19 na before my boarding. 6:19 na, 6:20 yung boarding pero hindi pa sila nagpapaboard so far.
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try. 'Cause baby, I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go?
Especially in light of everything in the news with flights being canceled, delayed. We value you as passengers and we hope that you like what you see here at Delta. 2 hours and 58 minutes from takeoff to touchdown. For those of the weather apps, you can see there's not a whole lot of weather between here and there. It should be a mostly smooth ride, but that said, I am expecting a couple of nuisance bumps, probably about the middle third of the flight. I know 2 hours and 58 minutes is the perfect amount of time to watch 2 full-length movies, catch up on the sports scores, maybe catch a quick nap on your way to LA. So you don't need me interrupting your audio. So I'm just going to make this one PA. Please adhere to the seatbelt sign. We always say it, but we really mean it. That's for your safety and those people that are seated next to you. Again, we are sure glad you joined us, whether you're stopping there in LA or going to other cool places that Delta flies. I know there are more than a few of you that are going on to Asia from LA. We are sure glad that you joined us. Again, if you like what you see, tell your friends.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for choosing Delta for 100 years and counting.
Delta. Delta Airlines.
The health and safety of our customers and crew is our #1 priority, and the shared responsibility of everyone on board.